Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is part 2 of paper CIE paper Spring 1922. Today I will start from question 5. So in question 5, this is question 5. Express as single fraction 3a over 4b minus a over 6b. So LCM of this will be 12b. So after simplification, answer will be 7a over 12b. Now again in part 2, b square minus 9 over 6 multiplied by 2 over b minus 3. We will convert b square minus 9 in the identity a square minus b square. So this will become b square minus 3 square over 6 multiplied by 2 over b minus 3. Further simplification, b plus 3 into b minus 3 over 3 into b minus 3 will be cancelled with b minus 3, and 2 will be cancelled with 6. So your answer will be b plus 3 over 3. Now in this part, solve 3x minus 1 equals to 5 into x plus 4. Open the brackets. So final answer will be minus 2 whole 3 over 8. Now the C part of this question. In C part, he has given a rectangle with dimensions 2y and y plus 3. So, and the area of the rectangle is a rectangular wooden block is given 55 centimeters square. He is asking for the remaining after removing the square of dimension y from the wooden block. So form an equation in terms of y, which is you have to prove this. So 2y into y plus 3 minus y square is the remaining area. So this will be equals to 55. He is asking for the value of y. So you can apply here quadratic formula, as well you can use the middle term breakage, which I have done opposite to the diagram, where the value of y is 5 and minus 11. After using quadratic formula, you can also get the value of y, that is 5 and minus 11. That's it for this question. Now the question 6. In question 6, he has given a triangle of triangle with the dimensions on the figure you can see. This is out of focus. Now you can see the triangle in the figure. ABC is a triangle. In the question, he is asking for the length in terms of 4 kilometer in terms of 1:n. So 5 ratio length of AB is given 5 centimeters. After measuring, the length of AB is 5. So this is the ratio of 5 ratio 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer will be converted into meters. So we will get 4 ratio 500,000 centimeters. Sorry, 5 ratio 5 is in centimeters. So 5 ratio 400 centimeters. After simplification, answer is 1 ratio 80,000. Measuring the following, the bearing of A and B. Measure the bearing of A and B, so which is 18 plus 56, that is equals to 236. 180 plus 56, answer will be 236. You can see the working on the diagram for the bearing I have drawn. So here the angle will become, whole angle will become 56, so 180 plus 56 will be the 236. Now part C. In part C, measure the bearing हो गया. A third board is positioned at C. C is at a bearing of 120 degrees from A. So you can see on the diagram I have drawn the bearing of 120 degrees, and then in the next one A from A, and on a bearing of 195 degrees from B, you can see the bearing of 195 degrees from B. So you will get the point C. Find the measurement of actual kilometers from A to C. After measuring A to C, this length will become 4 centimeters. So 5 centimeters. Ratio 4, this is first ratio which is given in the question, 5:4, 5 centimeters to 4 kilometers, which was converted into 1 to 80,000, and now he is asking for answer in kilometers. So 5:4 and 3.6 is the length of AC, ratio x. So your x will be 88 x will be 2.88 kilometers. C part of this question, you can see the diagram of C part. We can read easily. Asking for calculate AHB. Apply the sine rule here. 4 over sine of HB is equal to 6 over sine 70. So your answer will be 38.8 degrees. Now for part 2. He is asking for the speed. So speed is P is equals to D over T. So 6 over 740. He has given you 7 minutes, and he has given you the time in the question, that is 12 minutes and 20 seconds. So in the solution I have converted 12 minutes and 20 seconds into seconds, then multiply by 3600 for converted into hours. So your answer will be 29.19 speed, that is kilometers per hour, which is in the question, his requirement. You can see the whole conversion and whole solution, and the final answer is 28.189. Now question 7. In question 7, he has given the table, and in the table he first of all we will find the value of the last column. So after plotting, we will get this sort of graph in this part. Now the C part of this is the line L crosses the graph y is equals to this at x is equals to 2. If you see the value x is equals to 2, the value of y will be 2. So at x equals to y is equals to 2, again at x equals to 5, y is equals to 1.4. we can take these values from the table. So for equation of straight line, first we will find the gradient, that is minus 1 by 5, and y is equals to minus 1 over 5x plus c. Put the values for the value of c. The c is equals to 2.4. So your final equation will be y is equals to minus 0.2x plus 2.4. Now in the next part, a line with the gradient minus 1 by 3 crosses the graph of y equal to this, x equals to 1 and x equals to 4. By drawing a suitable line on your graph, find k. So I have drawn the line on the graph, and the value of k is calculated from the graph, which is opposite to the point of intersection. This is 4. Sorry, this is 6. Opposite the intersecting point, that is value of x is 6. So you can see in the solution also I have solved this for the value of c by mathematically and graphically I have proved this. Okay boys, see you in the next video for the further questions. 8, 9, 10, 11. Allah Hafiz.